7-step Murg Mussalam. The ingredients: uncut whole chicken, ginger, garlic, green chilies, lemon, fried onion, cashew, curd, tomatoes. Grind them together with whole garam masala, red chili powder and black pepper powder. Add a bit of water to make paste. Thoroughly wash the chicken. Make slits for masala to marinate. Rub some lemon juice. Bit of salt. Now cover the chicken with masala. Use hands. Stuff in an egg and pack with thread. Fry some onions. Put the chicken in. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Just garnish with flora for that aroma. Set the table and enjoy.
Our Ammi is a
Cooking superstar. There it's ready.